Asus turned heads with the Zenfone 10. Compact, different, and honestly kinda awesome. Then came the Zenfone 11 Ultra, ditching the small form factor. And now we've got the Zenfone 12 Ultra. And yeah, it's being billed as the AI phone. No one asked for. Design and build. First up, the look. This sage green finish, absolute fire. Matte back, glossy rails, and camera housing. It's refined. Not your vibe? There's ebony black and saccharine white too, but trust me, green's the winner here. Weight-wise, it's lighter than last year at 220 grams, so handling it isn't a chore. Hardware and performance. Specs check. 6.7-inch 148Hz OLED Snapdragon. 8 Elite 512 GB storage and a 5500 mAh turbo battery. Gaming performance? Solid, basically ROG Phone 9 levels. Battery life? Killer, this thing lasts all day and sometimes even 2. Software? Vanilla Android 15. Minimal bloat, with some cool extras like Game Genie and Video Genie. AI overload. Here's where Asus flexed. Maybe too hard. Portrait AI, AI tracking, AI voice clarity, AI magic fill, AI unblur. I could go on. Forever. Some work okay, like document scanner and call translator. Cameras and video. Camera setup is the same as last year. Main, ultra-wide, 3x telephoto. Main lens, solid. Colors are natural. Detail is decent. Ultra-wide, fine. Telephoto, good up to 3x. Beyond that, messy. Video, 8K is possible. 4K has some lens limitations, but stabilization is smooth thanks to that hybrid gimbal. Verdict. So here's the rub. 1,099s for the Zenfone 12 Ultra. Battery and software are fine. Design is slick. AI is overkill. But optical fingerprint, okay cameras, and just 2 years of updates. Let me know in the comments. Do you think Asus did enough with the Zenfone 12 Ultra? Or is it just meh? And don't forget to smash that subscribe button.